How to send a follow request on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send a follow request on TikTok. First of all, open up your TikTok app and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you can see, if I head over to profile at the bottom right, I'm going to be able to see my profile right here. So if you want to send a follow request to someone on TikTok, then you're first going to have to tap on the search bar at the top. So simply go ahead and tap on the search bar. Now from here, you're just gonna have to search for the account that you want to go ahead and send follow requests to. And you could just go ahead and tap on their profile like so. So if you want to send a follow request, as you can see, this profile right here is private. So I'm able to send them a follow request. So click on this follow button and it will send a follow request on this profile, meaning that they will get notified if you've sent a follow request. And if they accept your request, you will be able to see their posts, their reposts, and other saved features like their liked posts if they have allowed it. And that's how you easily send a follow request on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.